Shabbosai, stay tuned. There's a Gavaldiga podcast. Rabbi Steve Geller does a Gavaldiga Zach, and that'll be coming out this week. Torah Giants on Chumash. Shalom Uvrach, and welcome to the weekly piece on the Parsha from Torah Giants on Chumash, written by Rabbi Rabbi Goodmans, the Rabbi Emeritus of Yom Rockaway. Sit back and enjoy.
Welcome to Torah Giants on Chumash. I'm Steve Geller. We all learn the Parsha, but years can go by in our routine of learning it, and sometimes we don't notice that there are things going on under the surface. And there is so much more going on under the surface. Rabbi Goodmans brings us a beautiful example of this in our Parsha. And I have given the Leviim to be given as a gift to Aaron and his sons from among Bnei Israel, to do the duties of Bnei Israel in the tent of meeting, and to atone for Bnei Israel, so that there will not be among Bnei Israel a plague when Bnei Israel approaches the sanctuary. This is the pasuk where the Leviim have been selected to replace the firstborn, the Becharim, to serve God by assisting the Kohanim. They're being replaced, and of course there is the real possibility that Bnei Israel might feel jealous and not appreciated. But you probably noticed this one pasuk mentions the term Bnei Israel 5 times, the only such occurrence in the Torah. Rashi tells us this symbolizes the 5 volumes of the Torah. This was meant to show that Hashem loves all of Bnei Israel fully. In fact, as the verse says, they were chosen to atone for Bnei Israel. Rav Levi Yitzchak of Berdichev comments on the verse just a little before. In pasuk 16, which consecutively repeats twice, Nesunim, Nesunim. They are given, they are given. This is speaking about the choice of the Leviim for the service in the Beis HaMikdash stems from their unique actions when Moshe descended from the mountain while Bnei Israel was worshiping the golden calf. Rav Levi Yitzchak explains that when an exalted individual receives a simple gift from a humble person, while the gift itself may be almost worthless to him, he may nonetheless be appreciative of the very fact that this simple individual felt an urge to show his love and did the best he could. The fact is that God does not need our service. He is master of the universe. But it was the speed and devotion of the Leviim who quickly rallied to Moshe's call of, "Whoever is for God, come to me," that gained the Leviim Hashem's appreciation. Therefore, this double expression should be understood as, because they are given over, they dedicated themselves to Hashem, therefore I consider that they are given to me. I accept their dedication as a most precious gift, and therefore consecrate them for further service in the temple to assist the Kohanim. The concluding phrase of our initial lengthy pasuk is, "And there should not be a plague amongst Bnei Israel when they approach the sanctuary." Rabbi Goodmans explains that he once saw a clever reading of this phrase. It is Hashem's hope that his children should come to his sanctuary for happy events and joyous holidays. Let it not be that the Jews feel compelled to be in the synagogue only for observing yahrzeits or saying Kaddish. This is just another example of the kind of beautiful insight that Rabbi Goodmans spent his life curating for our benefit. And it's impossible to find these kinds of amazing hand-picked Torah treasures anywhere else. And that's why you should like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and most importantly, hit the share button to paste the link to this video into emails, Facebook, texts, WhatsApp groups, or your social media of choice. They'll enjoy it as much as you, and we will all help realize the potential of Rabbi Goodmans' life's work, Torah Giants on Chumash. Your yeshiva is a storehouse of great Rebbeim and Torah. It shares it. Our Gedolim don't conceal their holy Torah, they share it. We daven to Hashem for our chelik in the Torah. He shares it. So when you come up with chidushim in your learning, that's your Torah. Share it.